Recreation Coordinator Chris Gret here with RSU5 Community Programs Remote Recreation. I was going to talk to you about board games today, and then I looked outside and it looked like that, and I decided it's not really a good day for board games. You should be outside. And I'd also just seen a video at a senior center. I'm sure you've seen it. Maybe I'll throw it up here, of some senior citizens they were playing Hungry Hungry Hippos, and they're using wheelchairs and laundry baskets. And I thought, well, what are some other games you could play outside? And I was like, well, there's human chess. And I was like, no, human chess is really bad. Don't play human chess right now. 16 people per team in those little spaces, that is not social distancing. So human chess is out. So I said, well, maybe you could play some checkers. And so I went out into my driveway and I drew a little grid, a little 8x8 grid, and I got some checkers and I played checkers with my family. And I was looking at that grid and I said, well, this is good. Checkers is simple. Let's step it up a little bit. And so I numbered half the grid and I lettered the other half of the grid and I set up a battleship field. And then I made another grid and I used cardboard and cut out some battleships, just one battleship and one submarine. I didn't do the whole thing. I didn't do a full 10x10 grid like you have an official Battleship. But I played Battleship and I have a video of that, so check it out. Okay, let's go. D4! D4 is a hit! Throw a tennis ball. Maybe you should throw most of the tennis balls. H6. That's a miss. Throw the ball. Miss. You've only thrown 2 balls. So we got a hit on our first shot, D4. Let's go with E4. Oh. Hit my car and bounce back. I believe that's a hit.
Yay, Wes, we got a hit.
Okay, let's see. B6. That's a hit.
I didn't know we got yellow balls. I thought we got no balls.
That's a hit. You sunk my battleship. D7. Oh, that's a miss. Wow. Oh! Trash talk nullified!
One comes out.
I feel like you had a spy.
I did not have a spy.
How did you get us on the very first call, man?
Good luck. Alright, so that's me and my family playing Battleship outside. And I encourage you to do the same thing. Go ahead and think of a game that you might play inside and play it outside. I mean, yes, you could just go outside and play an outside game. I'd love that too, but for this challenge, I'd like you to think of a game you normally play inside and adapt the rules so that you can play it outside. And I'd love to see your replies, pictures, videos, or just words. Just let us know what you're doing out there. And we'll see you next time on RSU5 Community Programs Remote Recreation.